Hey everybody, how's it going today? Welcome to So Dramatic, where we're bringing fantastic ideas to life. Today, I want to talk about a Featherlight Singer sewing machine that was bought by my great-grandmother in 1929 for about 30 bucks. It still has the original instructions that came with it, and I'm pretty excited to show it to all of you and give it a nice clean out and check out the feed dog assembly and the different feet that it comes with. I'll make a few samples and we'll see what this baby can do. Okay, so here it is. There's the box that it came in and a whole bunch of the sewing machine feet right in these little boxes here, and the Singer itself. Let me turn it around and put it in better focus. Look at that. It's beautiful. I'm just going to move it back a little bit. Yes, it's a gorgeous machine. I can hardly wait to clean it out and try it out. Okay, let's go. Okay, here it is, threaded up and ready. I'm going to go in a little bit closer. Sorry about the camera shake. There you go. Can you see that? It was a little bit more complicated to thread than I was expecting because it has all these little points where you have to pop the thread through an opening, and I had to wear my reading glasses for this. Man, oh man, oh man, it was pretty intense because I was like, am I hurting it? Am I doing it right? But I have the top and the bottom thread are very different colors so that when I make some samples, I can see what's going on with it, and it'll let me know if the tension is correct and where it needs fixing or adjusting. Okay, let's get out a piece of cloth and get going. Okay, I have the lights on and it's all set up. I tried it for one round. Here we go again. Look at that. It's just smooth as butter. So nice. There we go. Look at that. So nice, and the stitches are perfect. So here are the feet that came with the Singer sewer in these little boxes. I'm going to try out some of the feet on the machine and have a look at the instructions. I know what some of these feet are, and some of them I actually don't have any idea what they do, and I will have to look them up. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. Let me know if there's particular things you want me to try with the Featherlight. So in this instruction booklet, what I have always referred to as a scroll stitch foot, in this one is called a foot hammer. And it has detailed instructions on how to make and create the perfect hem. Honestly, it explains in detail how to start the hem, which I have been doing by trial and error, and I can see now what I've been doing wrong. Anyway, I'm going to make a sample and try out this foot. Let's go. Okay, I've got the fabric in the foot, and I'm ready to go. It didn't start out perfectly, but I guess it just takes practice. It's one of these things that I don't do very often, but would like to do more of because it's super fun. And I really like the scroll edge. That's what it's called now, but apparently they used to call it something different. And yeah, makes a pretty good hem. There we are. Beautiful. Look at that. So nice and right on the edge. Okay, here is the next thing I want to try, and it is the adjustable hammer. Now, I'm just using it on a hand-folded piece of cloth, but if I was going to actually do this technique on a real thing, I think I would double fold it over and then feed it through this thing. I got off to a rough start, but I think I have it figured. So the hammer has an adjustable spot on it right there, where how much hem you give can be adjusted pretty easily. Look at that. Oh, it just sews like a dream. I love this thing. Amazing. I'm gonna pull it out as best I can. Look at that. There's a little bit of a skip right there. But otherwise, it's pretty amazing. All right, that's all I'm going to do for now. Let me know what you thought about this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.